How to remove viruses fast on your iPhone. There are various techniques you can engage that will help you remove viruses from your iPhone. The first one is to clear your Safari browser time to time. Doing this is very simple, guys. Tap on settings icon, then tap from here, scroll down and tap on apps. From list of apps here, guys, locate and tap on Safari, or you search for Safari from the search section. Tap on it. Now scroll down to the base of this page where you see this option that says history and website data. Tap on clear history. Then tap on all history. Then tap on clear history. That's all. You've been able to clear viruses or remove viruses from your iPhone. The next option is to delete any apps that you don't want on your device or you don't recognize any apps on your device. All you have to do, guys, is to delete such apps. This is very simple. Just hold for a few seconds, tap on remove app, then tap on delete this app. Then this will help you to remove that app on your device. That is the second way to do away from viruses on your device. The next thing is to delete unnecessary file from the file apps on your device. Locate and tap on the file apps on your device. Open it. Once you tap and open it, guys, then go to download button here. Tap and hold for a few seconds. Then tap on delete from the option that comes out here. Now don't forget that you need to go to this button, then go to recent delete button, tap on it. Then you can see that I have some recent delete button here. Then tap on this button to select all, or tap on hold for a few seconds to delete this one, to remove it. Then tap and delete this one again to remove this one and delete this. Then here, doing this, guys, we're going to remove viruses from your iPhone. The last option, which I consider you do time to time, is to factory reset your iPhone. Then this is very simple, guys. Tap on the settings icon on your iPhone. Then tap on general. Scroll up a bit. Tap on transfer and reset iPhone. Tap on reset is, then make sure you tap on reset all settings. This will help you to reset the settings on your iPhone, thereby taking away all unnecessary file that might result as what you download or that might harm your device. That's all, guys. If you enjoyed this, if you have not subscribed, please subscribe for more updates like this.